Hello.
Hello. Where are you from?
I'm from India. I'm from Assam.
What is the thing that I should know about Assam?
Okay, so Assam is famous for tea, and we have the one-horned rhinoceros. And you know the most famous festival of Assam is Bihu. And the best thing is we celebrate it like 3 times a year.
Oh,
3 times.
3 times.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Bihu.
Yeah. Bihu.
Yeah. I want to celebrate Bihu.
You should come to my home, dude. I invited you already.
Yeah.
Also, I'd like to tell you about a fact about Assam.
Oh,
is
yeah.
that, during the 17th century,
Yeah.
nearly the whole of India was conquered by the Mughal Empire.
Oh.
But then they couldn't conquer the northeast of India, starting from Assam, because they were defeated in the Battle of Horaikat, which was led by Lasit Borphukan. So at that time, the Mughal Empire was at its peak. They had the best army, they had everything which was so good. But we had the tactics to fight in water, and they were defeated.
They were defeated.
They were defeated by the Ahom general whose name was Lasit Borphukan. Then they could never conquer the northeast of India.
Really?
That's very interesting. And the funny thing is, maybe most Indians don't know about it. Even it's not in the history books. It's not very popular, it's not highlighted, and many people don't know about it.
This is very interesting
Yeah.
story. Joy, I, ako. Yeah, let's go.
Go.